Hey Laura,
Hey, what's up, man?
if you had $7,000, how would you turn that into $100,000 in the fastest way possible?
7,000 turn into 100,000 in the fastest way possible?
Yeah.
Simple. E-commerce. Why do I say e-commerce? Because that's what's allowed me to get my success. It's allowed me to retire my parents. It's allowed me to achieve my dreams. It's allowed me to raise my income, not have to work a 9-to-5 job, and allow me to create ultimate wealth. And so with $7,000, I would basically use that to start selling physical products online. Why? Because right now, e-commerce is at a $1.1 trillion industry. By 2026, so in 3 years, it's going to be at $8.26 trillion. So if you don't get into e-commerce in the next 3 years, you're going to be missing out on a big chunk of money and a big piece of that pie. So what I would do is start investing in e-commerce, learning everything I can, and start that business as soon as possible.